Hello folks, welcome back. Today we will be unboxing Samsung monitor. 27-inch Full HD IPS. This will be for our editing PC. We needed to upgrade the kit a little and this was quite cheap, to be honest. Okay, let's get to it. Let's do this the funny way. Okay, manuals, don't need those for monitor. AC and the power cord. Yeah. Full HD cable. Roughly around 1 meter. The stand, well, the leg to be precise, and the actual stand, and it's done. That's about it. Stickers and the actual monitor. So, not much bezels here, that's good. So the screen area is as big as possible. When we check the I/O, that's kind of a funny thing. Well, there's the power plug, the HDMI and the VGA. I didn't know that that's still available. I thought that died like 10 years ago, but okay. To be honest, this was the cheapest 27-inch Full HD that was available, so not expecting much on the I/O side. So overall, for the price that this has, well, it's okay. One thing to remember when purchasing monitor is the ergonomics of the stand. So this is the basic stand. The ergonomics are, well, let me show you. I noticed that I need a screwdriver here. Wasn't prepared for that. Un momento. Also note that you shouldn't keep monitor facing down.
Why?
Because when I did that, you heard the noise, it is scraping on the screen, so if there's some dirt there, that will break the monitor. Just kind of a note to self, don't do this. So, as I said, the basic monitor stand feet will keep it up, but that's about it. You can tilt it backwards, forward, that's about it. But ergonomics wise, if you don't have a adjustable stand, you can change the height of it. So in my test, you would need to be higher to be confident to look at it. So the basic stand that these come with these days, they don't have the height adjustability. So that's something that you should consider when using monitor. However, the reason why I purchased this model is that these are the VESA holes. So you can connect this to any kind of a basic stand. So because we have an extra stand that I will be using, so that will bring the ergonomics to use. We won't be using this feed. Okay. You can change the basic settings from the wheel here. You can change from HDMI to analog, okay. There's a joystick back here which works up, down, left, right, and the OK in the middle is kind of a confirm. So the changing the settings is quite simple. This has the FreeSync, and this panel is 75 Hz, so you could use this as an entry gaming monitor also, Roblox and everything like that, Minecraft, but not fast FPS gaming. But once again, thinking about price-wise, this was a little over 100 euros as an offer, so I didn't expect much more. But this will work well for our needs as an editing monitor, and this is still, like I said, this is Full HD monitor. There are of course 2K, 4K monitors available, but since we are doing editing in Full HD, we don't really need the extra resolution, and also we don't have the extra money. This will do just fine. I just need to remove the stand and install it to the actual gas stand that we have available, so there will be better ergonomics that way. Simple, effective, nothing more.